To set double press S-Pen button for voice recorder as record or pause in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, and then select Air Accents. Sorry. Scroll down the screen, tap voice recorder, and then on double press, tap menu, select record or pause. Now double press voice recorder or double press S Pen button for voice recorder set as record or pause. To use, open voice recorder and then double press your S Pen button to record and then double press again to pause. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.